Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful morning. All is well here in New Orleans. All is well. Listen, guys, today I just want to stop by and share some things with you. I want to share with you first squash. The things we can do with some squash. We're going to talk about the squash, okay? But also, I want to give you all some vegetables and herbs that love the heat of summer. It loves the heat of summer, so we don't have to stop growing. We can continuously grow some food, can some food, preserve that food, so we can eat this food during the winter when you cannot grow. I'm going to still be dropping seeds, but for those who cannot grow in winter outside, you can still be enjoying your produce department. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Let's get on with the video. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So I'm standing here by my sweet potatoes, and of course, they are putting on their flowers. It's not that early in the morning, but it is in the morning. The flowers last a day, and then in the morning when I walk out my door, there they are looking at me, right? So this is my sweet potatoes. Now, if you've been with me, then you know that I have a plant in here that I did not drop. This is the foliage of that plant right there. That's it. Now, I knew it was some kind of melon. I didn't know what type of melon it was, but it has shown me who she is, y'all. So let me share with you who she is. So this is one of her fruits right here. Let's see, right there. And she have lots of fruits. If you can see, there's a little fruit behind her. There's another one over there. Oh my goodness, I just seen that one. There's another one here. So there's lots of fruits on it. And the biggest one I seen is over here. So let's go over here and I'm gonna share her with you. Let's see. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is it right here. So many of you may think, oh, that's a watermelon. She kind of favors a watermelon, but I know. I'm thinking I know. And there's another one there. So she's very prolific. The Tigger melon. That's who I think she is. A Tigger melon. Now, how did she get in this bed? I have no idea how she got here. But this is her, y'all. This is her. But these sweet potatoes are doing really good. Really good. I'm looking forward to them, y'all. I really am. Let's go and check out the melon bed, the real melon bed. So this is my 100-gallon grow bag full of melons. And as you can see, they are running. And squash. Yeah. The squash leaves are beautiful. So these are the leaves from the Candy Roaster squash. These leaves are so beautiful. I had to do a research on these leaves, y'all. I was looking at them and I'm saying that they are so big. They are so beautiful. They look lush. So, what was my question? Can I eat them? And the answer is yes. All of squashes, summer squash as well as winter squashes, the leaves are edible. It is recommended that we eat them cooked because of these prickly, sandy bottoms they have. But it is said they are great stir-fried or cooked in soups or just cooked with other greens. And they are so full of nutrients like vitamin A and B and calcium, potassium. All of these beautiful nutrients that boost the immune system. Yeah, because, what I'm going to do is just allow all of these beautiful leaves to die. Yeah. All the nutrients they have, right? Give me some. Give me just a little bit of them, right? But all of those leaves from all your squash, spaghetti squash, butternut squash, all of these beautiful squashes, they are edible. Not only the leaves, the flowers, the stems, they are all edible. They're edible, family. So, the next time you go out and you see your squash leaves looking something like this, just know you're looking at a plate of food. So this is some bell peppers. I'm going to harvest one of these peppers for my dinner tonight. Yeah. But I wanted to talk to you all also about vegetables that we can still grow in the summer heat. Now, sometimes you must put these vegetables in the shade, or even sometimes put a shade over them, but they will do well in the shade. So you can still grow. Many of our gardens is not as big in the summer as it is in the spring, but we still can continue to grow something that we can preserve, right? So we all know about corn and okra, but many greens you can grow in the heat, and they will do well, family. They will do well. Thick colored greens like your broccolis and root vegetables, because our soil is so warm right now, your root vegetables will do well. Now listen, choose your battles, because if you are not out there to take care of your plants well, the bugs is coming, family. They're coming. So for your root vegetables, for your beets, choose, do you want to grow your leaves as well as your beets, or are you going to focus in on just the beets? So remember, if you're going to grow the greens also, you must be there. You must protect those leaves because, yeah, the bugs are hungry, baby. And they will have your greens looking like Swiss cheese, right? So choose your battles. But all of your root vegetables are great. I harvested some blackberries this morning to go with my coffee and bread. They were delicious. Now this is my pink eye purple peas, baby. That's what this is. And they are doing amazing. This sun and the rain, they just growing very fast, very fast. But It's all right with me. I'm good with it. I'm looking forward to these beans. Mm. And this, I'm back over here by my blackberries, but I wanted to share this with you all. This is one of my sunflowers. Now, this was not the tallest sunflower in my yard. Now, in New Orleans, we have these crazy rain where it's rained really hard for like 10 minutes. The wind blow really hard and it rains really hard. Well, this was the tallest sunflower I had in my yard. She was very tall. Yeah. The wind knocked her down, family, but I cannot save her because she is broken. Yeah. She is broken. So when I came out after the rain, a 10-minute rain, she was laying here. Ah, heartbreaking, family. It really is. But she was just putting on her head. This was going to be an amazing sunflower. But, you know, I have more growing in the garden, so yeah, but I'm a little bummed now. I can't tell you, no lie. I'm a little bummed about her. She was a beautiful, tall sunflower. But now, this one is the biggest in the garden. But, you know, that's what happens sometimes in the garden, especially here in New Orleans. You have a very tall plant. Yeah, sometimes the wind gets them and you come out and your plant is laying down, right? But that's the way it goes. But I've dropped a lot more sunflower seeds, my own sunflower seeds. So we'll have another one bigger. And this is the turmeric I dropped in a container, and there she is. Both of them is coming up. Very small pieces of turmeric, but yep, we have turmeric. So I came out to my garden today looking for lunch. I have been eyeing this one, y'all. It is my Rose Bianca eggplant, and this is the first one. This is the one that I hand pollinated. I have so many more on the plant, but this is the one. So this will be my lunch today. I grew the Rose Bianca last year. It's a Baker Creek seed. It's very easy to grow. This eggplant is really creamy and smooth and delicious. Yeah, so this is my lunch along with tomatoes, onions, and of course, cucumbers. But yeah, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous eggplant.